Hello friends, today I am making this pattern, very beautiful pattern and so easy for beginners also, very easy pattern. Today I am making this, I am showing you how to make this. For this pattern I am using 3 number needle. First of all, we are making chains, making the chain. Starting, I am showing you like this, and holding here both this yarn and this yarn, and here taking the yarn inside and holding here and pulling this one. This is the knot. Now making the chains like this, yarn on, bringing the chain inside like this, and making the yarn on, bringing the chain inside like this. Make the chain slowly. And this yarn is be tight here. This yarn is be loose here. Okay, like this. Make the chain. More. Yes, that's enough. Like this. Now making 3 chains extra and taking yarn on and pricking here in 4th chain and bringing the yarn inside and making the double crochet. Double crochet is making the yarn on and pricking in the chain and going back and bringing the yarn inside. 3 chains are there, taking the yarn, bringing the yarn inside in 2 chains. Now 2 chains are there, bringing the yarn inside, make them 1. This is double crochet. Like this. Pricking inside the chain and making them 1. This like this, double crochet. Make the double crochet in full row. This row is finished now, double crochet row. And now next row, making 3 chains and turning this side. Here we making border double crochets. Four double crochets like this. Now here 2 times yarn on and counting here chains 1 2 3 4, going to 5th one, pricking here and making triple crochet like this. Now once again, 2 times yarn on, one chain and 2 times yarn on in the same hole, we are pricking here and making triple crochet. 2 times yarn on means triple crochet. 1 chain, 2 times yarn on in the same hole, making triple crochet. Like this. 1 chain and 2 times yarn on, and same hole, pricking here and making treble crochet like this. Once again, yarn on and 2 times yarn on, 1 2 3 4, going to fifth one, pricking here and making treble crochet, 1 chain, 2 times yarn on, same hole, pricking there and making treble crochet, 1 chain and 2 times yarn on and make same hole and making treble crochet, 2 times one chain, 2 times yarn on and same hole, making treble crochet like this. Like this. This row is moving on like this. This row is finished now, like this. Now going to next row, making 1 chain and turning this side, making here single crochets, here in between the two, making 3 chains and pricking in the same hole and making single crochet. Now here single crochet. Everywhere is single crochet here. In the between, here 4 treble crochets are there. In between the center of the treble crochet, we are making 1 single crochet and 3 chains and another single crochet like this. Like this, making the next row single crochet. Now this row is finished. Making next row, making 3 chains and turning this side, here yarn on and making the drop border double crochets, like this. Now making 3 chain and here in this hole making single crochet, like this. Now we are making here 6 chains, 4 5 6, and bringing here see the hole, making in this hole single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, in the hole single crochet, single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, in the hole single crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6, in the hole single crochet. After this row is looking like this, I'm making 3 chains, and turning this side and making here border double crochets. Now in this hole, see the hole here, in this hole we are making the pattern, taking 2 times yarn on and pricking here and making 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 times yarn on, pricking here in the same hole, making 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 times yarn on, same hole, two times yarn on, and the same hole, making 3 double crochet, like this. Next here double time yarn on and coming to here in the same hole, making 3 double crochet and 1 chain, same hole, making 3 double crochet and making 2 times yarn on and making here 3 double crochet, 1 chain, 2 times yarn on, making here 3 double crochet, like this. 4 4 3 double crochets are there in this row. Like this, this pattern is moving. So this pattern is looking like this. So beautiful, so easy and so simple, but looking like so beautiful. Make it and tell me in the comments. And if you like my video, give thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.